Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen, you guys. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make us some I want to call it southern, but anyway, we're gonna deep fry us some shrimp, you guys, and we're gonna put us a little flavors on them. And yeah, so get prepared and come on in the kitchen. Okay guys, so we're back in the kitchen. You guys, let me make a little adjustment with you guys. There we go. So what we have here is we have some jumbo shrimp, you guys, and I am just gonna deep fry these. And I said, you know what, let me make a video of this, right? So what I am doing is I'm just coating the shrimp because I want a wet batter on these shrimps. Now, the best thing about making your own shrimp is you can season them to your liking, right? You can season them to your liking. Well, we can use this spoon. So what I have here is some paprika. I have some Louisiana seasoning, black pepper, and wait a minute, Creole. No, not Creole. I'm sorry. Cajun seasoning. Now, those are the simple seasonings that I'm going with. And I'm just going to put it over here in my cup of flour and 1 egg, you guys. Cup of flour and 1 egg. So we're just going to put these seasonings right on in here. That's what we're going to do right there. And I'm just going to reach in here and grab some milk because I want a batter that's going to be good. We don't want it too loose, but we don't want it too wet, right? So I'm just going to give this a mix. Just like that. So yes, I had to switch utensils, and we want it just this, at this consistency. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Don't come for me in the comments, okay? But we want to make sure we got every nook and corner of this bowl. Now, don't come for me because I'm using my hands. These are my shrimp. No one in the household do not care for them other than Carter, right? But y'all already know I'm not going to let my Carter get sick. So we're going to test our oil. And there we go. We are ready. So yeah, let me see if y'all guys can see it. So we just going to let it drip. And then we're going to dip. We don't want to overcrowd it because we want that temperature. Right? Oh my goodness, what is you guys eating? And you guys, like, comment, and share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And yes, I bring simple, easy recipes, something delicious. Let's keep it a buck. Okay? You guys check that out. I think I can get a few more on there. But anywho, let me go ahead. So guys, as you see, we got a couple in here frying. I don't want to disturb them. So yeah. So that's what we're doing today. We're doing some shrimp. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. But this is how I make my delicious shrimps. You guys, that's how I make them. And when I tell you it's the best, it's the best. Almost like as if I went to the restaurant and got them. But we know they cook at home, right? You know, I have some people label this as Southern style shrimp. I don't know. Tell me, is it Southern style? I don't know. But anywho, your girl just likes to bring y'all different recipes. And we just gonna put us a couple more shrimp in here. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like once it's finished. But always remember, put your little flour on there. You know, it holds the batter to the shrimp much better. And I promise you, you wouldn't go wrong with buying them. I always like to buy my shrimp from Kroger's. Let me show you guys. Now, if you all shop at Kroger's, you can find these shrimp. You can find this bag. This is a 32 ounces, 2-pound bag. And I think I only spent like a little over $8. You know, so I always buy me a bag when I go to the grocery store. But I never too often thought to share this recipe on how I make them. But yeah, same batter can go for tripe, just about any seafood. Just about any seafood. And we just want to, because shrimp only take 2 to 3 minutes. Well, 3 to 4 minutes, I must say. You guys, but look at the deliciousness on here. Look at that golden batter. Now tell me, would you buy that for me? Because I'll be on Van Dyke, y'all. Try to sell these bad boys, okay? But anywho, I'm just joking. But those who know me, know. I wouldn't give you a recipe that I haven't even tried. You guys, just check out the goldenness on these shrimps. You guys, now, it's a secret to this madness. Now, if you stick to the end, I would tell you, you guys, hold on. Yes, it's a secret to this madness, right? So, you guys, now the key to this is, I know a lot of people have their ways, but I told you guys I use flour, right? But what I didn't tell you was, it's self-rising flour that you will use to get this. 1 egg, some milk, and like I say, you guys, do not let your shrimp and, do not let your batter shrimp to any seafood, I'm going to say to any seafood, be so thin. Right? That's the secret to this. And always use self-rising flour. Self-rising flour can come and just make any batter just terrific. So there you have it, you guys. So we got us some delicious battered shrimp. And I told you guys the secret. So if you watch this whole video, tell me the secret to this batter. Okay? Leave it in the comments below. And don't forget, like, comment, and share. And subscribe to your girl. I'm going to bring you good recipes, easy recipes. And I promise you, some may even be like restaurant style. So check out this plate of shrimp. How we looking? Would you buy that? Because if you do, catch me on the corner of Van Dyke. Okay? So, anywho, we finna get ready to close this out. And here is a shrimp for you guys right here. You want it in hot sauce? There you have it. Right there. So, yeah, you guys, share this video with everyone. Let me taste it. You guys, I'll see you on the next video because I got to eat. I just bought me a whole plate of shrimp. You see it. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.